we have brought these products so that the schools can be able to get us with us and insure all their products, all their properties, so that in case of a misfortune, Directline can be able to compensate and relieve our parents who are suffering from school fees and other expenses.
We are so concerned about the cost of doing business in our schools. We are affected, and we are here together with our partners to look at ways that we will be able to enable us to stay afloat and be able to keep our schools running.